Guys, I finally got 20. How many bees I have? I finally have 25 bees and unlocked the 25 bees area. I'm so proud of myself. And look at my hive. I'm really rich. Okay. I'm surprised that I got a little bit of exhausted. I can say this to my friend, like, yo, I got 4 exhausted now. But the thing is, I'm so happy about this thing. I finally beat a lot of quests. Not a little bit, yeah. Not really much, but we're just gonna go to the wall. No, good, too much. But anyway, we're gonna go to the 25 bees area, and here's how it looks. If you're wondering, you're a beginner, but yay! And you might be wondering why am I proud, because this took me a lot of time to get many bees as I can. I also kind of wasted 100 tickets on that slot thing. I thought it would give me more highs. But yeah, I'll want to check that later. But look at this area. There's no white pollen. And I can't afford. I barely can't afford. I can't even buy something. The thing I'm gonna buy here is a hive slot. I wanna hatch an additional bee. Hopefully that's an exhausted, or yeah. But I've been working on some quests, and I need to beat the 77. Yeah. This video sees less. Bye. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye.